Does every house in Southern California have foundation issues? The answer is hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So does every house in Southern California have foundation issues? The answer is no. We actually come across a lot of homes that we inspect that don't have any foundation issues. Typically there'll be like superficial cracks or, just stress cracks from concrete or expansion cracks due to drying or whatever it may be. But we have no problem coming out, taking a look at it and still giving you, like I said, the peace of mind you need. Or if you do have a foundation issue, we'll be glad to tell you that too. Not necessarily as much as we like telling you that there's nothing wrong with your home and you don't need our services, but we will gladly help you out and give you whatever information you need or questions that you have. We'll be glad to answer about how your foundation is currently holding up and the procedures how to get it fixed and back into A+ tip-top shape. So feel free to give us a shout and we'd be glad to help you out. And that there is your foundation repair tip of the day. Did you guys see that? I was rhyming everything.